It's really tragic. Let's unbox my very fairy themed jewelry jar. Oh, gosh dang it. Oh, I hate when I almost break it now. Okay. It's really tragic. Oh my gosh. Okay, I didn't know what to expect. Oh my gosh. If I could just... Oh my gosh. That was crazy. Let me just make sure there's nothing else. I literally have these packing peanuts everywhere. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. Oh my gosh, that is so freaking heavy. That's like 10 pounds. Oh my gosh, that is so heavy. Oh my lord. Oh. And this bag of goodies. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm gonna clean this up real quick. You guys have no idea how excited I've been about this jar. I got it on eBay, and it looked very interesting, to say the least. Very fairy. I didn't like say that, but you'll see when I open this. There's some pieces that are very majestic, very magical, very mine. You know what I mean. Ooh, they really wrap this baby up. Wow. This is so freaking heavy, you guys. Tell me why. Okay, never mind. I was gonna say, tell me why I'm out of breath. It's my corset. Oh my gosh. Guys, you can see the beauty. Oh. Why is it so hard? That's what she said. Oh. See that? It's like flowers. Oh my gosh. I need to open her now. Oh my gosh. Beauty of unpacking jewelry jars. Holy crap. There will be no casualties. No, literally, right as I said that. Do you see the crack? There's a crack in the jar. Right as I said, there will be no casualties. Honestly, I think this was my fault. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. There's cracks everywhere. The more I unwrap it, oh my gosh. It's not planned. I do not want broken glass. No. Oh my gosh, it feels like the only thing keeping this jar together is this green stuff that needs to come off. Okay. I'm all suffocating to death. I almost broke a nail. And there's gonna be broken glass everywhere. Gosh dang it. I just want pretty jewelry. I'm scared to move this. Oh my gosh. I almost cut my finger open. I also want to style my look first. Okay. Well, go to part 2.